Well, well, well. $620s. What's the type of this? That was very, very bad. I mean, horrible. All right, so where is the new bottom? 630s. Looking like it's forming a bottom there. 630s. Well, I tell you what, that was scary. That was super scary. Let's get back up above that 659. Start to hold. Absolutely monstrous move down. But I'm still in this thing. Still in this thing. Will 650s begin to hold? We don't know. It's the beginning of a movement. Oh boy. $660 needs to be broken. That was crappy. Good morning, One Life. So I had some technical difficulties. My computer overheated while I was in a trade, and I just got it up like maybe like how long has the stream been going? I just got it back up like a couple of minutes ago, and this is where I'm sitting. I was trying to get a little scalp up here, but now I'm down $1.12. But I am still confident that this is gonna go up because of the news. This offset is working with Tesla to provide um, in-home e-homes and solar panels. So they're working with Tesla, so that's a very notable company, and I'm sure that with this daily chart, I've seen this daily chart 100 times. It gaps up, I sell out, and then it goes higher. So I'm gonna be looking for more entry points instead of exits. But man, that was scary. This thing overheated, and I was like, oh my god. It took like 15 minutes just for it to cool down. Insanity. Is my camera on? No, it is not. Let me get that camera going. Don't see it. Okay, there I am. Yeah. But yeah, it definitely was acting crazy on me this morning. Wow, that thing faded on me. Good morning, good morning. T for technical difficulties. Good morning. Just transfer your position into a retirement account and revisit. Forget about it. Revisit the position in a year and see if it's holding up. That may be a plan. I may actually hold it for a while because of that news. It's working with Tesla, and I mean, things that work with Tesla usually either gap up or do some kind of crazy movement. So that may actually be a strat. I see how it holds up. Nothing else popped up today, so this was the top mover and it has faded. I only got 30 shares at the top up there, and then my computer just zip, and I was like, well, looks like God don't like me today. But I do like this play. Last time it went all the way up to what, $30? So that is an amazing move. Maybe it can give something to the halfway point of that, maybe 20, but I don't expect 30. Come on. That can't be right. Says that I am streaming. Am I streaming? It says that I'm streaming. I don't know. Let me update Twitch. Oh, there it is. Okay, now I see. I am streaming. Okay, so yeah, One Life, that actually may be a strat. I only got in 30 shares. My computer literally died at the most pivotal point of the day, and I am frustrated. Cool, cool. Nice. But we will see. Maybe if it can revisit that $7 level. It looks good. I actually am thinking about adding to this. Not really averaging down, because averaging down would be on something that's very weak. But with that news though, Tesla, I don't know, man. Tesla, eHome International US subsidiary, ah, looks so good. In Texas, of all places, which is like oil land central, looks pretty good to me. So I only risked, I think it was $200 in this position. Literally, I wanted to add, but it did not continue up for me to take profit. So yeah, I bought 25 shares originally, added, only got to add 5, and then it started going down. So about a $200 position, but I am willing to add some more. Today is another day that I'm gonna have to shut down at 10 because I have another meeting. Mondays are just becoming very, very hectic for me. But really, as long as this thing holds up over 6, I'm pretty confident it can revisit those highs. Nice little flat bottom here. But I want to buy at the lowest point today, not the highest. So if it can break this 630, maybe I'll look for entries even below that. Exactly. That's what I was thinking. I'm just glad I didn't take 100 shares up here, because that would have been quite a bit of a loss. I was just trying to get a little bit, just pop through this little 75, take profit, and get on down. But sometimes it works and sometimes it doesn't. But it's still up 30%. It's just red on the day. That's the only reason it's not on my scanner. Love to see it test this level one more time, and I'll add a little bit down here on this 628. Because right now I'm only down 30 bucks, which is nothing. I mean, and this is on a small account day. I started today with 1,100 bucks. So I don't feel too at risk here. Diamond hands, baby. Wait for the potential down the road. Yeah, if it's working with Tesla, it can definitely, and Tesla has already signed with them, and they've already actually started installing these systems. So that's what really made me hold. Okay, why am I running that high? Shouldn't be running that high. Okay, I need to make sure this thing isn't gonna shut off again. This thing, man, I tell you, I do so much config shifting with this thing. Let me go see. But if it does go off, just know I will be holding this position. So if it does go up throughout the day, you'll know I'm still in there. Well, I think that this move that's going to happen on it is going to be pretty quick. So I don't know if I need to transfer it. All I'm looking for is if it can just, if it can just shoot up $1, $2, I'm good. But looking at that last move, if it goes up to the halfway point, which is $15, that'll be great for me. Let's see, battery, processor power. Let's go ahead and make some of this a little bit more. Yeah, make that active. Processor states, display, battery. Could base out for retest for intraday high, then anything after is possible. Yeah. I'm very confident on that news. Very confident. So confident that I'm willing to hold the bag. No, I'm kidding. Oh man. LDL is way too expensive, but it is up there. Way too expensive for my taste. Gee whiz. $60. Alright, so it is holding this little range. If it gives me some red above this, I'll add a little bit. Give me some red. Retest this 5-9 EMA for me. I'll be looking to get some more. And that'll bring my average. Right now my average is 761. So kinda high. But it is above that 15-minute 9 EMA. LDL has to be a buyout merger. Yeah, just sideways. Yeah, I didn't even get to check it out. I just saw it pop up on the scanner real quick, which it shouldn't have because I did change those settings to not allow those in. But it may not have saved. I changed them this morning, so on that shutdown, it may have thrown it out. Yeah, it did. Thrown. Yep. All right. Looks like God is still working out here. Praise the Lord. Looking like I'm gonna need to start adding before they get it too excited here. Looking for some red for an add point though. What's the low of this? It's got a low of the 660s. Boy, think if I had, and now I have Charles Schwab on my phone as well. They don't have a Street Smart Edge mobile, but they do have Charles Schwab. And I was thinking, I was like, do I want to sell this? Because if I sold, it would have been right in here, right in this point. And I was like, 30 shares though? 30 shares isn't really killing me. I can risk $60. My overall risk on the day is 50, so I haven't even reached that yet. But it is looking quite nice. Just need to see some red. Need to see those shorts get pushed out of there. Man, I got 20 minutes, bro. These days go so quick when I have to leave. I hate it. It'd be so funny if I come in tomorrow morning and it's gapped up. I'm gonna be like, yes! I'm gonna be like Daniel B, shouting, praising myself as my own market god. Let's see, let's see. Oh yes, keep those temperatures right nice and cool for me. Do not need another shutdown. See if it can come back and stop before it gets back to that 625 level. Because it had a gap down here, gap filled here, came down and then gapped up. So hopefully we can look for a higher movement. It's got another gap here at the 929 up to the 965. Welcome back, Twitch viewers. I did have some technical difficulties. The computer overheated while I was in a trade, and the price did drop while I was overheated. Took about 15-20 minutes to get everything set back up. Had to go back through memory diagnostics and all that. So just not good. But I'm in small share size, holding a AEI, looking for a retest. I was thinking about selling on my phone back here, 660 level, because I got scared because of this. But now it's kind of found a little bottom and may retest the highs for me. Nice. Stopped up there. Let's see if it goes red here. Can it break the bottom of this? This low is the 661. Or it may just want to explode up. Hopefully it goes into halts. That'll be a godsend. I got 20 minutes left on the stream. I have to go, but I will be holding this, so I'll see maybe in aftermarket. Maybe if it still looks good, I'll still be holding it. It'll just depend on when I get done today. I may actually go back live today as well if I get done quick enough. Maybe lunchtime or 1 o'clock. We'll have to see. Let this computer cool off. Let's see if it can form another low up here. Or maybe it just wants to give me all my money back right now. I'm completely down for that. I was down, what, 30 bucks just a couple minutes ago? 20 bucks now, so $10 back. See if it can form a new bottom so I can add. Oh yes, yes. Oh yes. This is one life strategy right here. Buy the little flat and then look for the rip, take some at the VWAP and look for an extension. That's one life's play right there. Are you in one life? This thing is definitely getting back up there and I am liking it. I just want to, yeah, I'm gonna add a little bit here. I'm looking to add. Let's see if it can get back below the VWAP first. Oh yeah, yeah, one life. I already know, man. I already know this is your play. This is your play. I usually don't take them like this, but I mean, since I was already in, oh well. Let's see if they can hold up this previous bottom. Previous low is a 661. Nice little push down by the shorts right there. I like that buying pressure there. It did tap VWAP at the 689 and got a little bit of rejection back through it. I would love to see some more red under VWAP first. That would be lovely. But right now, I'm looking good on the day. You know, it's whatever. And tomorrow I have an even bigger account of whatever is in there. I think 2,000 or 2,500. This may be a runner for the next couple of days, though. That's what I'm expecting. Also on Twitch, we already looked at the news. The news on this one is this company is actually working with Tesla. News. It's actually working with Tesla to do in-home installs of like solar panels and that kind of thing, going green. So we'll see what kind of sentiment it gets throughout the day. It did bounce off of this last level here, which was the 628, where I wanted to add, but my computer was still off, and I don't like taking trades on my phone, so I did not add here at the bottom. It's whatever. It's whatever. I'm not mad. I'm infuriated. Okay, looking like it's holding up to 75 here. So I'm gonna go ahead and see, is it holding up the 80s? What's this high here? This high is a 78, so that could be a support level. 78. Oh wow, that jumped. 78 right there. Let's see if it can break that and then come back above the 78. Give us some red. Or you can just go to the moon. I'm already in there. It doesn't matter to me. Okay. Can we get some red here through that 79 level? Then a pull back up. Okay. Not respecting the VWAP, getting across the VWAP very easily. Yeah, it's playing across that VWAP right now. Short should be scared here. Especially if it tries and breaks this and comes back above that 79 there. That's what I'm looking for, to add a little bit. I'm not adding a lot because I don't want to get absolutely killed today. Especially since I'm not going to be able to trade in 10 minutes. Be on the road. You know what I might do? If it goes on up there, I might go ahead and take off. If I'm green on the day, I might go ahead and take off just to cut the risk, just in case it does dive through the day, to have that money out of there. Just in case, because I'm not a long-term holder. But we'll see. Getting up to $7, trying to hold it. But if it does it in the next 10 minutes, I could definitely get on out to cut the risk. Failing that 7 right there. Can we get any red here? Well, looks like it just wants to go. I might take half up here at the 8. I might go ahead and put a limit order up there at the 8. So even if I don't see it go up there, I just take half and just leave half. I feel like a sucker doing that though. That's the only thing. I feel like this thing has so much potential upward. So much potential. Look at the daily chart, how much buying pressure this is right here. That is ridiculous. It can easily flip sides to the green. Easily. It's got 48 million shares traded. There is no way I'm selling this. No, I'm gonna hold it. You just hear me talking to myself, challenging myself mentally with logic. Yeah, Elon gave his blessing, man. He gave his blessing. So, like when Elon was talking about Dogecoin, all it took was like 3 words, and the mountain moved. Okay, we're above VWAP. Let's see if we can get some red here. Back to test this 79 level. Looking for that test of the 79. Got 10 minutes left on the stream. I'll update you guys either this afternoon. I'll go back live possibly, or tomorrow morning. Depends on what happens today. Come on, get that 79 in there. Get it. Want to see that dip off the 79 here. I didn't really test that 79 though. I wanted to see a touch. Low is the 81. Okay, there we go. There we go. Now can you pull back above it? 60s. How low will you drop? I guess the next entry point will be this 628 down here. Can it break the 65s? Or will it pull back above this 79 real quick? It's got 4 minutes left on this candle. Can we get back above the 70s? This is 2 rejections off the VWAP though. 1, 2. So that is gonna be some weakness for VWAP traders that want to go long. They're probably gonna be looking for it to break this 712 here. Oh, they're calling me. They're calling me. Don't forget to check. Okay. Okay. Got you. Let me shoot a message real quick. Okay, getting back down there. So it got down to this last level of the 660 and trying to find a little bottom down here. I do like that for that support. As long as this thing can stay above pretty much the 628 is probably going to be my out point if it forms a new high here or a new low, higher low. I just can't risk it too much. Can we get back over the 661? $584. Where's my calculator? 584. So 584 is the top of this one. I do a 580 out, all out, because I can't play that game. Did form a higher low, so I do like that. See if we can get back over those 68s into the 70s. Anyway, 584, 662. So risking 78 more cents will be my out. I think that's fair. Be all out right here at the break of the 575. And I'll leave that in there throughout the day. Stop 585. So if it wants to go higher, hey, it'll be great. If not, just have to get out. So it did come through the 15-minute 9 EMA, regained it, and we'll have to see if it can pull back above this 664 there. $664 right there. Let's see if it can pull up. Good morning, Asterix Imperious. So let's see, you're on YouTube. Good morning, good morning. Yeah, I'm back, man. I'm back. Daniel B, yes, I am back. You just missed One Life, or One Life may still be in here, I don't know. But yeah, I'm back, and this morning some really bad things happened. My computer shut off while I was in a trade. It dropped on me, but I was in small share size. As you can still see, I have 30 shares of AEI. The only reason that I am holding this is because of the news. It is actually signed and working with Tesla to distribute what do you call those things? Distribute solar equipment, green equipment. But yeah, man, my computer went out. It took about 15 minutes to get it back online, and it is 10 o'clock. So I am gonna have to shut down now because I have to go to this job meeting. But this, I am gonna be holding this. I already lost 200. Wow. Yeah, I'm gonna be holding it and looking for some retest of the highs up there. But I am gonna put a stop right here, an all-out stop at the 584s. If it comes down to the 584s, I'll be out. So that'll be my all-out stop, and I will sell right there. It's down there, just waiting. If it comes down that low, I'll go ahead and jump out with what I got. Did form a new little low down here though. But I gotta go, guys. I'm gonna go ahead and shut it down. I got to get on the road. If you're gonna continue trading, please be careful. Daniel B, what's up? Goodbye. Sorry, tomorrow I will have a lot more time to trade in the market, but Mondays, man, Mondays killing me. Daniel B, hopefully you recoup your losses. And for everyone else that's going to be trading, please stay safe. You got the whole day. You can always re-enter. And man, today looking like I'm holding the bag, but we'll see based on the news. Anyway, as always, I will see you in the next one. Peace.